Can I transfer money from my Ally account to another person's Ally account? Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to quickly send money to a friend or family member? Maybe they're in a pinch, or perhaps you're splitting the cost of a shared expense. If you're an Ally Bank customer, you might have wondered, can I transfer money directly from my Ally account to someone else's Ally account? Let's dive into it. Understanding Ally Bank transfers. Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and other competitive financial products. One of the key features of Ally is its ease of use. But when it comes to transferring money, are there any limitations or specific steps involved? Direct transfers, a no-go. Unfortunately, Ally doesn't currently allow direct transfers between customer accounts. This means you can't simply log into your Ally account, select a recipient's account number, and send funds. While this might seem inconvenient, there are other workarounds that can achieve the same goal. Alternative methods. ACH transfers. What are they? ACH transfers are electronic fund transfers between banks. They're often used for direct deposit, bill payments, and peer-to-peer transactions. How to use them? To transfer money from your Ally account to another person's Ally account using ACH, you'll need to provide the recipient's routing number and account number. This information can usually be found on a checking or savings account statement. Once you have these details, you can initiate the transfer through Ally's online banking platform or mobile app. Pros: ACH transfers are typically free and can be completed quickly. Cons: there might be a slight delay, especially for the first-time transfer. Bill pay. How it works: Ally's bill pay feature allows you to pay bills directly from your account. While primarily designed for paying bills, you can also use it to send money to another person. Steps: add the recipient's name and address as a payee. Then, instead of entering a bill amount, input the desired transfer amount. Pros: convenient and easy to set up. Cons: might take a few days to process. External transfers. For non-Ally accounts, if the recipient doesn't have an Ally account, you can still transfer money using Ally's external transfer feature. You'll need to provide the recipient's bank name, routing number, and account number. Process: similar to ACH transfers, but the processing time might vary depending on the recipient's bank. Additional considerations. Transfer limits. Ally may have daily or monthly transfer limits. It's essential to check your account terms and conditions for specific restrictions. Fees. While ACH transfers are typically free, external transfers might incur fees, especially if you're transferring to an international bank. Processing times. The speed of the transfer can vary depending on the method used and the recipient's bank. Conclusion. While Ally doesn't offer direct transfers between customer accounts, you can still easily send money to others using ACH transfers, bill pay, or external transfers. By understanding these alternative methods and their associated fees and processing times, you can choose the best option for your specific needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.